Hey everyone, I'm standing in my bathtub right now and it's kind of nasty. So today I'm just going to do a small DIY project. The camera probably won't do it justice. There's quite a bit of cracks and mold build up here in the washroom, and it's because of the way it's designed. It's kind of stupid. You see here, this little edge here, the way it's designed, when you take a shower, the steam will go all the way up here and it'll collect on the ceiling, and then that's why we got the mold buildup. And then we got a shower curtain here that my wife put to cover, the back part. So we change this out roughly every year, but unfortunately, you see this part, it's all moldy too because she put clear tape to hold the curtain up. But apparently the mold likes to eat the tape too, I guess, because here you can see some sticky residue left over from peeled off tape, and it's got black from mold. So I got to find a way to get rid of the sticky residue and clear that up as well. I'm going to be cleaning all that up and then painting it. So this is the supplies I got here. That's everything that I'm using. So just gloves, eye shield for eye protection. The scraper there is just to scrape some of the excess on the ceiling, and that's the paint I'm going to be using right there. And then the cup and the spoon is I'm just going to transfer some of the paint into the cup so it can then hold the cup easily for more convenience instead of holding the entire can of paint. But I'm going to put on pause. I'll be right back. Okay, this is going to be tricky doing the filming with one hand, but I opened it up obviously and I just started stirring the paint. So after a thorough stirring, I'm just going to transfer the paint here into the little cup. You don't have to see me do all that, but I'll pause it again. Okay, so I'm done filling a portion of the cup with paint. I don't know if I'm going to need more, but if I do, it won't be too hard to refill it. But now I'm going to take my drywall, whatever scraper, I don't know, I forget what it's called. But I'm going to use it to scrape anything that might, be loose. Looks like it's, most of it won't come off, but there's a little piece there, right? So any particles hanging to that, I want to scrape off. And that's it, I guess. So after that, basically all you do is you start painting away. I'm just going to show you a little bit of that. I don't want to bore you with just all the basic steps of painting, but this is a very cheap foam brush that I got in a pack from the dollar store. So all I need to do is, I'm not even really being that careful. Yeah, I'll just keep on doing this, pause the video, and then we can see the results in a little bit. All right, I am done, and this is after maybe 1.5 layers. It's all of it was done in one layer, and then I did a few more touch-ups in areas that I saw where the old mold bled through. So it didn't take very long, maybe half an hour. So that's pretty much done. It's looking much better than it was before. I still got to get rid of all this junk here. Got to change these old shower curtains and find a way to get rid of this glue, leftover glue from the tape and the mold. I'm thinking bleach, but we'll see. I'll have to do more research on that. This is my little cup there. There's still some paint left over, so it didn't use very much at all. These are my goggles that I used. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. There's a little specks of paint there, so if I didn't wear those, they could have gotten into my eye. So definitely use eye protection. This is the product I used, Zinsser, I guess it's called, and I got it from my local home hardware here in Ontario, Canada for, I don't remember the exact price. This was over a year ago, so I used it once already. So maybe I want to say 20 something bucks Canadian. So there's definitely a lot more coats left with that single can of paint. that's the end of the video here. It just goes to show that with the little elbow grease, you know, you don't have to pay hundreds of dollars to get a professional to do this. Even though a professional would make it a lot smoother, but I just want to be practical. I don't care how smooth my washroom ceiling is at this point. I just want to save those extra bucks for something else. So that's it for this video. Sorry for all the mess in my washroom, but I'm gonna clean it up. So that's what I've been up to today, and I hope you guys have a good day. Until next time, take care.